In 8.4, question number 4, we have some multiple choice questions. Let us see them one by one. The first one we have is 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. So if we take out common 9 from this, we get sec square a minus tan square a, and we know that since sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, that means sec square a minus tan square a will be equal to 1. So 9 into 1 will be equal to 9. Okay, this is the answer of the first question. Now if we look at the second part, it is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. We will convert tan, sec, cot and cosec in terms of sine and cos. So in second part, 1 plus tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta, plus sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. In this bracket, 1 plus cos theta upon sine theta, cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sine theta, minus cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. Now if we take the LCM in this part, the LCM will be cos theta, and in numerator we will get cos theta plus sine theta plus 1. Here the LCM is sine theta, so we will get sine theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now if you look at this numerator part, cos theta plus sine theta plus 1, cos theta plus sine theta minus 1. So considering cos theta plus sine theta as A and 1 as B, so we get A plus B, A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. So that is cos theta plus sine theta whole square minus 1 square. 1 square is 1 only upon sine theta. Now considering it, a plus b whole square means a square plus b square minus plus 2ab. So it is cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta into cos theta will come when you write them in multiply. Upon sine theta cos theta. Now as we know that cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, so 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta minus 1 upon sine theta cos theta. Now 1 will cancel, so we get 2 sine theta cos theta upon sine theta cos theta. Both will cut and the answer will come 2. Now look at the third part. Third part is sec a plus tan a 1 minus sine a. Once again we will convert this into sine and cos. So sec a is 1 upon cos a, reciprocal, plus tan a is sine a upon cos a into 1 minus sine a. Here the LCM will come out cos A, and the numerator is 1 plus sin A, and here 1 minus sin A. Now once again, 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A is A plus B, A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So 1 square is 1 minus sin square A upon cos A. Now by using the formula identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So cos square A upon cos A, which can be written as cos A into cos A upon cos A. So one cos will cancel and the answer will come out cos A. So you can see what are the right option out of 4 given options. Now the last part we have is 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. One plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Once again, converting it in terms of sin and cos. So 1 plus sin square A upon cos square A upon 1 plus cos square A upon sin square A. Taking the LCM in upper part, it is cos square A plus sin square A upon cos square A, and taking the LCM in lower part, sin square A plus cos square A upon sin square A. Now cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1, so it is 1 upon cos square A upon sin square A plus cos square A also equal to 1 upon sin square A. That is equal to 1 upon cos square A into, by reciprocal, sin square A upon 1, which is equal to sin square A upon cos square A, that is equal to tan square A is your answer. So these are the 4 multiple choice questions with their answers.